Has anyone ever started a project thinking that you were going to conquer the world and that everything was going to go dandy and smooth, and then you get like halfway through and you're wondering why you signed up for this and what you were thinking? That's currently where I am. I'm happy that we decided to build this chicken coop ourselves. The experience, I can't say has been the easiest, but it is a cool experience, and I think we'll be happy when we can look back and be like, wow, we built this from scratch using a plan that we found online. But I've done stuff. They're not lying when they say it's like building a miniature house, because it really is. I mean, if you can see over here, I did roofing for the first time in my life, shingles. Did the whole shingling process on that side of the roof. I'm about to do this side of the roof over here, and then I also have those 4 sides, and Tanya has been kicking butt too, and not only with the math and the measurements, but also she's been cutting wood. She's been just as involved in this process as I have been. So we have the nesting box almost done that we'll start painting hopefully today. And yeah, so we got a little nesting boxes over here. That's the top that I have that'll go on this other part over here. But yeah, that is what we are working with so far. It has definitely taken longer than I thought. When watching the instructional video, he didn't give any guidance or any type of indication as to how long it took him to build. And I'm guessing because it was a hired job that he did it for, that's all he spent his entire day or days doing. So he probably knocked it out in a day or two, also with the experience. But for us, it's taken us a little bit longer. Tomorrow will be a week that we've been working on this project. But I mean, in all fairness, when you have kids who are in school, when we first started, yeah, Tori still had a full week of school left, and both girls have dance rehearsals before the recital that's coming up next week. So we've had a lot of stuff that we've been juggling. Naps during the day, so not being able to cut wood and make a bunch of noise, just, yeah, all of that. So I'm hoping that within the next week we will have it all done. Tomorrow is the day that we order the chickens, and then we will be able to pick them up at the end of June. So today is what, May 25th, the day before Memorial Day. And yeah, so like I said, we'll order the chickens on Memorial Day, and then we'll pick them up June 24th, right before my birthday. There's something with my birthday and either getting a new car or getting a new animal. So we got Embers for my birthday a few years ago. Our dog got cars multiple times right around my birthday. So it's just the thing that we do. Anyways, let me go ahead and get to this roof and knock this out so we can move on and hopefully get this done in the next couple of days, because we still need to paint. So there's a lot that has to be done. What is up? We are a good week and a half into this chicken coop project, and y'all, I have not filmed a good portion of it just because it has been rigorous and just honestly didn't feel like filming most of it. But y'all, we're getting somewhere, and we are almost done with the construction portion of it. We're gonna paint today, and I don't know, I think between today and tomorrow, today's a Friday, we will be done with this thing. Let me show y'all what it's looking like now. Okay, so this is what we're working with. We got the chicken coop and the run right here. We still have to build the door that'll go right here and insert the roof that'll go on top. But yeah, we're gonna get to painting today just so that we can feel like we've accomplished something. And then we'll also finish the nesting boxes and the windows that will go, the ventilation window. So there's one here, and then there's one on the other side of the house over here. All right, tell them what we're doing.
So we're going to paint the chicken coop today. And if you're wondering what day we're getting the chickens, is at the end of June. So here's it is. So yeah, we're just gonna get started.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I.
All right, I realized I need to wrap this video up, but in doing that, I also realized that I failed to show y'all the final product. We don't have the chickens yet. We will get them 2 weeks from today, actually, on June 21st. But we have the chicken coop done. It is a labor of love. It took about 2.5 weeks, and I am so glad that we did it ourselves, but I don't think I will ever be building anything else, like I said, unless it comes from IKEA and it can be assembled within a matter of minutes, because this was a lot. So let me show y'all the finished product and the beautification that Tanya decided to add to it with the little touches. And so in there we have the automatic chicken coop door that opens and closes. You can set it on a timer. That's our little compost over there. But we got hot chicks inside. We will have hot chicks inside. Okay. So they got nice flooring. They have a little ladder to get up to their roost bars. All of that. They got some ventilation windows. I still need to come in here and scrape off that insulation stuff before we get them in here. But yep. This is what they're looking like. They're little nesting boxes that they'll be able to use once they're old enough. And then over here on the side, we've got their nesting boxes. Like I said, I still need to go back and clean up some of this insulation stuff that I put on there. Got some windows, the ventilation windows. And the nesting box actually has a latch on it as well. And then there's another window around the back, but I doubt that we will ever be coming around to the back except to open and close that window. So that is what our chicken run is looking like. I am super happy with it. These doggone chickens better be appreciative of all the work that has gone into this, because we could put this thing up as an Airbnb with the quality that is put into this thing. Anyways, like I said, it's time to wrap this vlog up. Hope y'all are doing well. Stay safe.